Hey traders, sometimes the market presents us with fake moves, and the moment we enter a trade, the price immediately reverses against us. This is exactly what was happening to me. Every signal seemed perfect, yet the results were consistently disappointing. Then I discovered a powerful TradingView setup. The volatility trail combined with a 2B reversal confirmation. And honestly, from that point on, my approach to reading charts changed completely. In today's chart analysis, you will see how this indicator does not merely generate random arrows. Instead, it filters out the noise to reveal the market's true direction. When the trend is weak, it waits patiently. But when a strong reversal or trend continuation pattern emerges, it highlights the precise buy and sell levels. The most interesting part? This setup helps even beginners identify clean entry points and significantly reduces confusion, especially in fast-moving markets. In this video, I will walk you through my step-by-step process for confirming entries, placing stop losses, and identifying high-probability trades. So make sure to watch the video until the very end, because the final setup I reveal is going to be the most powerful one of all. Please support the channel by and subscribing. We will try not to make the video too long. Now we tell you how we want to trade. Let's start the video. We open the USD/JPY 3-minute chart. And don't sweat the time frame either. Next, you'll want to find those magic indicators. Head over to the Indicators tab and search for the trend following volatility trail. Select the indicator made by HD Algos and add it to the chart. Now the indicator settings change for perfect signals. First, we have change basis EMA length 8 to 5, after change ATR length 14 to 95, after change base ATR multiplier 2 to 1.7, after change volatility lookback 20 to 2, after change trend memory length 25 to 34. Here everything is fine after that. Click OK. Now we will share another powerful scalping indicator setting that you can utilize in emergency situations. Let's on the indicator search 2B reversal signals and select this one called 2B reversal signals, created by NAC1/3. Now let's access the settings of this indicator so we can modify it to suit our strategy. We changed swing lookback length 10 to 18, after change max bars to look for 2B 30 to 63, after change min penetration 0.1 to 0.5. We have to keep these options hide. And here everything is fine after that. Click OK. Now our setup is ready. Let's see how we use these trading setups. Please support the channel by and subscribe. In today's video, we're going to talk about a smart trend-following setup that ignores random market noise and focuses only on high-probability entries. As you can clearly see on the chart, this is not just a normal indicator. The name of this indicator is Trend-Following Volatility Trail, and I'm using it on the USD/JPY 3-minute time frame. If you like taking fast entries without confusion, then today's setup is going to be very interesting for you. Now take a close look at the chart. You can see two major colored trails here. Whenever the market enters bullish momentum, the green trail becomes active. And when the market turns weak or bearish, the pink trail starts taking control. The best part about this indicator is that it doesn't just provide signals. It makes the market direction visually simple and easy to understand. That's why even beginners can quickly identify the trend. Now let me explain how I take trades using this setup. Whenever the market starts forming strong candles above the green trail and the indicator gives a long signal, I do not enter immediately. Instead, I wait for candle confirmation. Because smart trading is not about jumping into every signal, I first confirm whether the momentum is genuinely on the buyer's side or not. Once I get proper confirmation, I enter a buy trade. Now let's talk about the most important thing: stop loss. In this setup, I place my stop loss below the green line or above the pink line, depending on the trade direction. If it's a buy trade, the SL goes below the green trail. And if it's a sell trade, the SL goes above the pink trail. The reason is very simple. These trails work like dynamic support and resistance levels. If the market properly breaks those lines, the trend may become weak. That's why placing the stop loss there is a smart decision. And now let's talk about profit targets. In this strategy, I normally use a 1.5 risk-reward ratio. That means if my risk is 10 pips, my target will be 50 pips. This approach becomes very powerful in the long run because you don't need to win every trade. Even a few strong winning trades can grow your account significantly. That's why professional traders always try to keep their reward bigger than their risk. If you observe the chart carefully, you'll notice that the indicator provides multiple clean long and short opportunities. Whenever the pink trail appears above the market and a short signal is generated, it means sellers are controlling the market. In those moments, I avoid emotional trading and only trade in the direction of the trend. This is one of the most important habits that can help beginners become profitable. You'll also notice that the market never moves in a straight line. Pullbacks happen and fake moves also appear. But the main purpose of the trend-following volatility trail is to protect traders from unnecessary market noise. Whenever the trail flips, it also shows a shift in market sentiment. That's why the entries feel much cleaner and more structured. Now here's another important point. Trading on a 3-minute time frame does not mean we should take trades too quickly. On fast time frames, patience and discipline become even more important. Personally, I only take trades when the trend is clearly visible and the candle structure looks strong. Because in trading, survival comes from discipline, not from signals alone. If you study this chart carefully, you'll notice that the indicator tries to catch trend direction early during major market moves. That's why this setup can be very useful for scalpers and intraday traders, especially for people who get confused by overly complicated indicators. And one more thing that I personally like about this setup is its clean visual structure. There are no extra lines or unnecessary data on the chart. Just trend, trail, and clear direction. When the chart looks clean, decision-making becomes faster and more accurate. But always remember, no indicator is 100% perfect. A smart trader is someone who knows how to manage risk properly. That's why I always use a fixed stop loss and avoid overtrading. The market gives opportunities every day, but not everyone has the patience to wait for the right setup. So in today's video, you saw how we can use the trend-following volatility trail indicator to find high-probability trend entries on the USD/JPY 3-minute chart. The green trail supports trend continuation, the pink trail highlights bearish pressure, and proper risk management with a 1.5 reward ratio makes this strategy even more powerful. If you like simple but smart trend trading, then this setup definitely deserves a place on your watch list.